Very good afternoon to all the participants. Welcome to today's session. Our today's respected resource person, Dr. A. Rajni Madam Garu, Assistant Professor, Head Department of Botany and Food and Nutrition, RBVRR Women's Autonomous Hyderabad. Please welcome Madam. And Madam is going to take session. Today's class is a CAM pathway, one of the important topic. All of you listen carefully. If you have any doubt, please interact with our respected
Rohini, tell me.
resource person, Madam. Okay. So if you have after completion of this class, if you have any doubt, even though use the chat box, post in the chat box your doubts. Okay. After the class, I will send the material. Some of the important material will send through WhatsApp group. Okay. So, Madam, please start the session.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Screen share option.
Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, students.
Very good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
What is the last class? Which topic is completed in the last class?
C4 cycle, ma'am.
What?
C4 pathway.
C4 cycle. In the photosystem, first, what is the photosystem? Pigment, which cell organelle to involved in this photosystem? That is a chloroplast. And the pigments is pigments. What type of, how many types of pigments are there? How many to utilizing in this photosynthesis? These all things are completed. And the next one, reactions. In the light reaction, two reactions are there. First one is the light reaction. The second is the dark reaction. In that light reaction, two systems are there. One is the cyclic, the non-cyclic photophosphorylation and cyclic photophosphorylation. This is the in the light under the light reaction. You can read out to the this thing. And the second thing is the dark reaction. In that dark reaction, here basic of the absorption of the first stable compound of the carbon, that is the different names are there. In that one, two cycles are completed. First thing is a C3 cycle. The second thing is a C4. What is the C3 cycle? First carbon stable compound. What is the C3 cycle carbon dioxide absorption? Which one? Plant CO2 to absorb. Tell me anyone to answer. The primary CO2 acceptor, which one? In C3 plants or C3 cycle?
RUBP.
RUBP, madam.
C4 cycle. In
Phosphoenol
C4
pyric
cycle,
acid.
CO2, which one?
Phosphoenol pyric, madam.
Phospho PEP. Yes or no?
Yes, madam.
PEP is the first primary carbon dioxide acceptor is the PEP in C4, in C3 RUBP. Okay, these are the total cycles in the undergoes to the light and dark reaction. Now I'll explain to the second one, another cycle name is called CAM cycle. See here the name, see in this one. What is the name of CAM? CAM is called crassulation acid metabolism. The another cycle name is called the CAM cycle. I have already studied the C3 plants and C4 plants. You know, as you know, what is the difference in between C3 plants and C4 plants? Some plants is the tropical, subtropical, some the temperature also different, the characteristic features also different in C3, C4 plant. But what are the CAM plants? These are plants also compared to both C4 and C3 plants. This is the CAM plants are called xerophytic plant or succulent plant. In the examination time to ask the which cycle to undergoes to the xerophytic plants or succulent plant? Always the CAM plants. Another name is called also CAM. All the CAM xerophytic plants and most of the succulent plants to undergoes in this cycle. The cycle name is called, today discuss about that cycle name, CAM. The CAM is called the crassulation acid metabolism. What is the CAM? Crassulation acid metabolism. Here the xerophytic plants, best example cactus. As you know, cactus is the best example. Aloe vera. These are the many xerophytic plants are there. In that xerophytic plants, most of the plants is the succulent plants are involved in this CAM cycle. Here you can also use PEP. What is the PEP? Phosphoenol pyruvic acid is called the PEP. This PEP carboxylase is to capture carbon dioxide. PEP is the carboxylase to capture to the carbon dioxide in the process called crassulation acid metabolism. What is this one CAM? In the most of the succulent plants use the PEP. That PEP carboxylase to capture into the carbon dioxide. This process is called CAM. Here, in contrast to C4 metabolism, this one is just contrast for the C4 metabolism. This is a physically separate the CO2 fixation. Here, to compare the C4, here the physically separate to the fixation of the CO2. In this PEP from Kelvin cycle, here how to come this one? As you know, girls, here you already have studied the Kelvin cycle. In this PEP from the Kelvin cycle, here CAM only temporarily separate these two process. Very important. This one only, CAM is only temperate these two process. Here CAM plants are the different in this one also, in these CAM plants the plant leaf structure is a different. Same you can study it to the C4 leaves also different, no? But here also in these plants the leaf anatomy is a different different from the C4 plant. And here fixed to the CO2, not in the daytime, only night time. That is the most important. You have studied to the CO2 fixation in C3, C4 plants is the fixed to the in the daytime only. But in these plants where the CAM plants are there, in that CAM plants to fix the CO2 at only night time. C4 plants. Why only in the night time to fix? Stomata are open. In the which time is the stomata? In the commonly daytime is the stomata is the open. In the normal plants daytime is the stomata is open. But where the succulent plants, where the xerophytic plants are there, in that plants the stomata are open only night time. Why? Tell me anyone. Why stomatas are open only night time?
Reduce transpiration.
What?
Transpiration reduce cheyandi madam.
Transpiration?
Reduce cheyandi.
Reduce kosam ఏంటి అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకి stomatas are open to only in the night time. Next one. 1 second. Recording. Yeah. Next thing in this CAM plant, that's where this CAM plant store to the CO2 mostly in the form of, see here, next point. That's where the total CAM plants store the CO2 mostly in the malic acid. Malic acid, that is malic acid via carboxylation of the phosphorylative to oxalate. The carboxylation of the phosphophenol pyruvate to oxalate. In this, which is the then reduced. This one is the reduced to the malate. Here malate is the decarboxylation during under the day release the CO2 instead of the leaf. This one is the to fix the fixation of 3-phosphoglyceric acid by Rubisco enzyme. See in the cycle time, in the cycle of this CAM, here you can observe to the leaf structure, but here compared to the C4 leaf and to the CAM leaf, both are the different structures are there. This one, you can observe the arrow marks is there, no? This is the dark time. In this one is the light time. Both are you can observe. In the CAM plants or crassulation plants, the leaf anatomy is a different. And another thing is where the dark time is only to fix the CO2. In that time only open the stomata. So you can observe in the picture. In the dark side, you see here the stomata is open, but where the light time is there, the stomata is closed. Why? This is the reduction of the reduce of the transpiration. As you know, this is a common thing. Reduce of the transpiration. That's why these are plants in the dark time to open the stomata. In the night, so in the daytime, close the stomata. See in this one, you can observe in this cycle. This is the atmospheric CO2. What is the CO2? This one is the atmospheric CO2. CAM and acronym crassulation acid metabolism. The total mechanism similarly C4 cycle, same just like the C4, but C4 is a two dimorphism of the chloroplast are there. Here only the stomata is different, daytime and nighttime. But differ to the two important features. What is the C4 formation? In the C4 acid is the spatially but not temporarily separate from the decarboxylation of C4 acid to fix the resulting CO2 by the Kelvin cycle. But CAM cycle or CAM plants lack the specialization of leaf anatomy. That leaf anatomy is called in the C4, that is the cranch leaf typically of the C4 plant. But CAM, in case if you take the CAM plants, the leaf structure, the stomata during the very cool desert night and closed during the hot. Why in the only night time to open the stomata? Whether in the night time, in the desert and night time, the conditions are very cool. That's why the stomata to open in the desert night time. In the daytime, the closing during the daytime, very hot and dry conditions are there. That's why the stomata is the close. This is the minimize of the water loss. That is the transpiration, loss of transpiration. In the here the CO2 is assimilated at only night time. Here to ask the in the examination time, the example of the CAM plants, what time of stomata is open and closed. These are things are important. And what is see here how to mechanism. First, absorption of the atmospheric CO2. Always I'll explain to the CO2 is the bicarbonate ions to absorb in the atmospheric CO2, not the like the directly absorption to the carbon dioxide ions. Okay, this CO2 first to absorb to the which one? PEP, phosphoenol pyruvic acid. This PEP, the absorption of the CO2 to utilizing to the enzyme PEP carboxylase enzyme to form to the oxalate. Which one? This is the oxalate. This oxalic acid the first one absorption of CO2 PEPMA, pyruvic acid, PEP, phosphoenol pyruvic acid. The CO2 to this one to absorb the PEP. In this PEP undergoes to the phosphoenol pyruvic carboxylase utilizing enzyme to form to the oxaloacetic acid OAA to form. Why? This is a 3-PGA and another C is to combine with the 4-carbon structure that is called COAA. This is the C3 position. In that C3 position to use to the CO2 carbon dioxide and to form the oxalate utilizing the enzyme PEP. This oxalic acid, see here, observe in this one. This oxalic acid to utilizing to the some amount of energy. That energy is to release the light reaction Here utilizing to the NADP energy, this oxalic acid to converted into the malic acid or malate. Here what type of enzyme you can observe? NAD plus malic dehydrogenase enzyme to utilizing enzyme here, this OA to convert into the malate. This malic acid to enter into the vacuoles. After vacuoles, this one is to convert into the starch and triphosphate, triose to this triophosphate again to form to the PEP. Same to process of the undergoes into the dark time only, in the night time only. This is a total process of the dark reaction when the opening of the stomata time. Okay, in the light time, in the daytime, what happened? The stomata are closed. What happened here? The store closed to prevent to the H2O to loss of the water and CO2 uptake. Here decarboxylation of stored malate and refixation of the internal CO2 in this one. Here internal CO2, what happened in this internal CO2 in the undergoes to the total, this is a Kelvin cycle, as you know, already explanation is completed. In that Kelvin cycle to release to the some amount of the carbon dioxide. How to form the, in the already stored the malate is there. In that malic vacuoles in the malic acid is present. In that vacuoles to release the malic acid to convert it into the malate. In that malate, what type of enzyme? Same, this enzyme, NADP malic enzyme to convert it into the pyruvic acid and CO2. See, in this malic acid, how many carbon? Here 4 carbon structure. I'll explain only light time, the daytime, not for the night time. In the daytime, what happened in the CAM cycle? In the daytime, where the in the night time to vacuole to over in the 1 second. Here one కీర్తి రావట్లేదు, ఏమైంది నెట్ స్లో అయింది, వచ్చేసింది. Yeah, see here in the night time, the final vacuoles to filled with the malic acid. In the daytime, what happened in the vacuole? The malic acid to converted into the malates. In this malate, utilizing the enzyme NADP plus malic enzyme. This malic, this is a 4 carbon structure. This one to converted 2 groups. One is the pyruvic acid. The second thing is the one is the pyruvic acid. This one, and second one is the carbon dioxide. This pyruvic acid to form to the starch in the chloroplast. This CO2 to convert it into the same Kelvin cycle to processing is going on in this process. These are the difference in between daytime and nighttime, and the opening of the stomata and the closing of the stomata for the CAM cycle. Next thing, 1 second. What is the significance of in this CAM? Here the CAM mechanism enables to plant maximum their water use efficiency due to the active opening of the stomata. Here typically CAM plants loss of water 50 to 100 grams for every gram of the CO2 gained. Here compared to the with values 250 to 300, 400 to 500 grams of the C4 and C3 plant respectively. Thus way the CAM plants are specially adapted to arid environment like in C4 plants. The evaluated total internal concentration of CO2 effectively suppresses those photorespiration, oxygenation, replace biphosphate in the favors condition of the carboxylase. See, these are the pictures. C3 plant leaf anatomy. You can observe this one. In the C3 plant leaf anatomy, this is a lower epidermis, upper epidermis. In the vein, bundle sheath is there in this one. In the C4, as you know, both are the bundle sheath and mesophilic cells to contain to found into the chloroplast. That's why this is the dimorphism. Did you understand? If any doubt in CAM plants, CAM cycle? Any doubt in the CAM cycle? ఏం చెప్పరు వీళ్ళు.
No,
హలో
madam. No, madam.
సార్ మీరు ఒకసారి తెలుగులో చెప్తే చెప్పండి సార్. ఉన్నారా మీ సార్? సార్ ఇక్కడ ఏం డౌట్స్ లేవు కదా. మెయిన్ థింగ్ క్యామ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇస్ ద మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. దిస్ ప్లాంట్స్ నేమ్, all succulent plants or xerophytic plants, and second one is how to fix the which time is the stomata open, which time is the stomata closing, and this thing, this CO2 first absorption of pyruvic acid to convert it into the OAA, just like C4 cycle. But what is the difference in between C4 and these CAM? The timing is different, daytime and night time. But C4 is a dual chloroplast, dual functions are there, dimorphism chloroplast is there, in that difference in between to the CAM and C4. Next cycle, one, just wait. Photorespiration, very important in this one also, photorespiration. What is the photorespiration? Photorespiration can be defined as the uptake of oxygen and the release of carbon dioxide. This is a reverse. In the photosynthesis, what happened? Uptake in the photosynthesis, that is the uptake of carbon dioxide and the release of oxygen. That is a photosynthesis. But here fully opposite in the photorespiration. It can be defined as the uptake of the oxygen and release the carbon dioxide in the presence of the light by plants. This is also termed as called C2 cycle or glycolate metabolism. Don't confuse, the names are most important. What is the name? C2 cycle or glycolate metabolism or photosynthetic carbon dioxide cycle. Four name, one is a photorespiration, the second name C2 cycle, the third name glycolate metabolism, fourth name photosynthetic carbon dioxide cycle. These all names are most important in this cycle. Okay, so these cycles, the total process involves the cooperation and coordination, three different cells, very important. How many cells are there here? Three different cells are involved in this cycle. What are the three different cells? CPM. As you know, CPM party is there, no? CPM. Yes? తెలుసా CPM party ఉందా అని మీకు ఎవరికన్నా?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Communist Party.
What is the C? But in this cycle, you can observe three cell organelles are involved. And the total process involves in the three cooperation, coordination of three different cell organelles, like C for chloroplast. What is the C for? Chloroplast. P for pyridoxine. What is the C? P for C. C for chloroplast. P for pyridoxine. M for mitochondria. That's why I'll know CPM party. అలా అంటేనే గుర్తు పెట్టుకుంటారు కదా, మర్చిపోతాం మనం. కంపల్సరీ టు ఆస్క్ ద ఎగ్జామినేషన్ టైమ్ ఆల్సో, దిస్ వన్ ఆల్సో. ఇన్ ద C2 cycle, how many cell organelles to involve in this one? As you know, only chloroplast involve the total photosynthesis. In that chloroplast, some are the uppressed region, some are the non-uppressed lumen side of thylakoid and thylakoid. These are things are no, as you know. But here in the C2 cycle, the coordination and cooperation of three different cells, organelles, sorry, cell organelles, not cell organelles, namely C for chloroplast, P for peroxisome, and M for mitochondria. That's why I'll explain no CPM party. Very good. What are the how many cell organelles to involve in this cycle?
3.
3, ma'am.
What are they?
Chloroplast,
Chloroplast, peroxisome,
mitochondria.
Mitochondria. CPM party and good పెట్టుకోండి. Okay. See, in this cycle, that in this photorespiration cycle, the total this process reported only in C3 plants. Listen careful, very important. This process totally reported only for the C4 plants, essentially due to the dual nature of the enzyme. Okay, in the last class I'll explain, no, sir also explained, in the total land, one enzyme is the very abundant and very highest to protein enzyme is there. What is the enzyme name?
RUBP, madam. Rubisco.
Rubisco is the very important. Rubisco enzyme. Here also, the essentially due to the dual nature of the enzyme in the RUBP, Rubisco, RUBSICO, Rubisco enzyme. This enzyme catalyzes both carboxylation and oxygenation reaction. That's why the enzyme name is called Rubisco. Both actions are there in this one. When the availability of the oxygen is time, in that time this enzyme to undergo to the oxygenase. In availability of the carbon dioxide is there, in that time to undergo to the process the carboxylation. That's why this enzyme is the dual nature of the enzyme, that is the Rubisco. Okay, here at normal air level of oxygen, tell me anyone, what is the normal air levels of oxygen? Normal air level of oxygen. Atmospheric oxygen, how much of the atmospheric oxygen?
21%, madam.
21%, good. What is the carbon dioxide?
0.3%, madam.
0.03. Compulsory to ask the question, this one also. Oxygen is the 21%. The carbon dioxide level is the 0.03%. But reverse in this pollution time in our environmental is a reverse. Yes or no? The ratio. Okay, see the ratio between the carbon dioxide fixation to photorespiration will be 4:1. What is the ratio in between carbon dioxide fixation to photorespiration will be the ratio 4:1. However, at night oxygen level meaning what is the more than 21%? That is also very danger. The night time, what is the oxygen level? More than 21% is there in the night time, the oxygen level. In that time, the Rubisco enzyme perform oxygenase reaction leading to the C2 pathway. How this pathway is to under in the environmental condition, when the time in the situation of the night time, the oxygen level is more than 21%. In that time, these RUBP perform oxygenase reaction leading to the C2 pathway. This photorespiration begins. See here, this is the cycle manner. This photorespiration begins with the here when the RUBP. See, you can observe this RUBP begins with the when RUBP. This RUBP accepts O2. This cycle 2 first which one? RUBP accepts O2 to form one molecule of phosphoglyceric acid. See here, phosphoglycolate. One molecule of which one is this one to form phosphoglycolate acid. These first one the RUBP to accept the O2. When the RUBP, this RUBP accept to the O2. After these two acceptation is completed, to form phosphoglyceric acid. Now it's after that one, this one. What is the first thing here? Phosphoglyceric acid. See, phosphoglyceric acid. This also three carbon structure. This one also 3 carbon structure. This phosphoglyceric acid and one molecule of, see here, first one RUBP plus O2 to form to the phosphoglyceric acid. This is a 3 carbon structure and one molecule of, see here, this one molecule of phosphoglycolate. See this one, phosphoglycolate. This one is a 2 carbon structure. This is the 2 carbon. Tell me in the RUBP how many carbons are there? How many carbons are present in RUBP?
5 carbons, madam.
5 carbon. Here you can observe to split the total 5 carbons are there. carbon structure, that is the phospho. What is the phospho? Glyceric acid. Second thing is the phosphoglycolate. This is the first step of this in this cycle. Next one here, while PGA is used in Kelvin cycle. PGA is used in why PGA is used in Kelvin cycle? The phosphoglycolate, see here, the phosphoglycolate is dephosphorylated to form. See here, PGA is there no in the cycle form here, this PGA. In this PGA is used in Kelvin cycle. Phosphoglyceric acid used in a Kelvin cycle. These this PGA used in Kelvin cycle, the phosphoglycolate is which one? This one. This phosphoglycolate is dephosphorylated to form to the glycolate. See here, how to dephosphorylate? In the chloroplast only, this total process you can observe in the chloroplast only. From the see in the chloroplast, what is the final product? Glycerate is the final product. How to form the glycerate? The PGA used in the Kelvin cycle. The phosphoglycolate is dephosphorylated. This one. This is the undergoes to the Kelvin cycle. Another thing, what is the second chemical? This phosphoglycolate is the second thing. This phosphoglycolate undergoes to the dephosphorylated to form to the glycerates. These glycolate or glycerates, in this one is the you can observe in this one in the chloroplast only. Okay. Now the chloroplast, which one is present? Glycolate or glycerate. Chloroplast too. You can observe this one. From chloroplast, see chloroplast, the glycolate that forms an amino acid. These glycerates or glycolates move from the chloroplast to peroxisomes. In that time, to form these glycerates or glycolates to form to the amino acids. Here, amino acids is the serine, one type of amino acid, and glycine is the another type of the amino acid. Now, you can observe to the glycerate to form to the one type of amino acid. Now in these peroxisomes, what type of amino acid are there? Serine is there. This also 2C carbon structure, girls. Here you can observe to the always 2 carbon structure. Don't confuse. This serine now peroxisome 2 to enter into the mitochondria, which enters the mitochondria. Here, where 2 glycerine or serine molecules are there, no, here 2 serine molecules. This is a 2 carbon, no, 1 carbon serine, another carbon serine. See, the 2 serine molecules under 2 into C gives rise to 1 molecule of amino acid. These 2 amino acid to form to the 1 molecule of amino acids. Here, along with the CO2 also, 1 molecule of 2 series to form to the 1 molecule of the taken serine into the glycerates. This reach the chloroplast and gets the phosphorylated to form to the PGA. Photorespiration is a wasteful and this is a very waste way known to protect damage, but waste, what is the use of in the C3 for damages? Did you understand the photorespiration? If any doubt to ask me here. ఏమన్నా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే ఇక్కడ అడగండి. నో డౌట్స్?
No, madam.
Okay, sir, shall I close the session? See here, this today two the C2 or photo respiration, but phase is there, light phase and dark phase. Where the light phase is the 2 cycles you are read out, that is a jet scheme or the electron transport and proton translocation. Second cyclic is the cyclic manner, cyclic photophosphorylation. In the after jet scheme, cyclic and non-cyclic in the between, I'll explain one photophosphorylation, chemoosmotic photophosphorylation also. And here how to proton to transport, how to ATP to release the energy. These are things I'll explain. This total is a light reaction cycles. Where the dark reactions are there, in that dark reaction, one is the C3 cycle, where the first carbon compound to absorb that one depending upon the CO2 absorption of the first stable compound. That is the C2 cycle, C3 cycle. The second thing is the C4 cycle. This 2 is the dark reaction. But remaining another cycle 2 is there. One is the CAM and second is the photorespiration. Here in the photorespiration, always to ask the how many cell organelles are involved. What is the C2? What is the 2 carbon structure? What type of amino acid to release in this one? These are questions to ask. And another thing is the Rubisco also. Rubisco one. What is the function of Rubisco? Here dual role is there. One carboxylation role is there. Oxygen and lead. In the night time, more than oxygen 20% is there. In that time, these RUBP undergo to the oxygenation and total to processing to process the like this the chloroplast to form converted into these chemicals to converted in the peroxisomes to converted into the mitochondria. Again these mitochondria, the amino acid to converted in the peroxisomes. Finally these peroxisome, the glycolate to convert to the glyoxolate, the glycerates in the final product of the chloroplast. These are the total processing of the photorespiration. Here main important Rubisco is the oxygenating activity, and glycolate, here enzyme is the glycolate phosphate, in between enzyme is the glycolate oxygenase, and in between the enzyme here amino transferase. I'm not I forgot it the enzyme names. This is the amino transferase enzymes. Here the first enzyme Rubisco oxygenasing activity. The second part, in the second part is a glycolate phosphate. Here second class is a glycolate phosphatase enzyme. Third one is the glycolate oxidase. This is the third process, oxidase enzyme. Fourth is the in this process amination, amino transferase enzyme. The final, this fifth stage is the glycine decarboxylase enzyme. This is a total enzyme to participation in this C2 cycle or photorespiration cycle, or another name is the glycolate metabolism. Another name photosynthetic carbon dioxide fixation. These are things are to complete of the photorespiration. Here any doubts in this total photosynthesis? Next class I will explain to the mechanism of the photosynthesis. How many mechanisms are there? What are the functions are there? These are things I'll explain the next class. Okay.
Madam.